Jose here from LLM Lab, home of our hosted vector DB, custom evaluations, multiple LLM providers, and much more. On today's episode, let's take a look at our database manager. So if you have an AI agent and you want that agent to have knowledge from your business or for whatever specific use case you have, as opposed to just all the random massive training data that all LLMs come with, vector database are the solution for you. We are very excited and happy to be the only hosted LLM provider that allows you to edit your vector entries right on the UI. And here's an example. Here is our customer service policies. They're very generic. They're just a demo. But if you wanted to, for example, simplify this entry and just change it, you would be able to just change it on the fly and save it, and bam, there you go. Another thing which makes our system very easy to use is that you can vectorize data straight from your documents. We have a Documents tab which allows you to also upload and manage your documents. We're going to talk about that another time. So as soon as you create your vector database, as you can see, it's instantaneous, and you can either add them manually, which can be very powerful if you have a very specific thing you want to create that you want to design from the ground up, or you can vectorize your document. So let's just call this MyDB, just as a quick name. And if you had other documents uploaded, they would show up here in a list, but we don't have any. Right now, we're going to upload one here on the UI, easily dragging and dropping, and you can select to segment the text or the data. You can upload a PDF or anything by paragraphs or by sentences. Soon to come, we have our AI segmentation system, which is just going to make it so much better. So let us add it. Click and continue, and let's see. So we have our data here nicely segmented by different facts about Jose. So there you go. We have a vector DB which has access to our knowledge. Now let us see how that might be used by our agents. So let's go to agents and let's make a Jose example, something I've made before. And here we get to choose which one we want to use. MyDB, I believe, is the one, and let's see how it works. We can use GPT 3.5. This is no big deal. Mr. Tiny is a bit cheaper, so maybe we can choose that one. And let us ask, hey, what is Jose's, well, I'm not really sure. Here, let's see. Jose is a father. Here, let's ask, what is Jose's favorite food? So what it's going to do is it's going to start fetching from the database. It's going to retrieve the number one most similar result from your text that you inputted. It's going to add it to the prompt. And because now that's part of the system prompt, it'll be able to answer your question. If you just ask ChatGPT or Mistral anything about Jose, it might not really know about you. It might just refuse to answer, but you told it that you know this data and you've actually given it the right data to choose from. If we go ahead and ask, let's see, let's find another question here. Jose is fluent in 3 languages. So what languages does Jose know how to speak? Let's see. It's going to retrieve. So it's actually found out all the languages, Spanish, English, and French. And now it's replaced that and added it here. So we found this to be highly effective and very useful into giving your chatbot your data. So you can take your data from your company or whatever document you've prepared, upload it, and add it to a vector database, and then curate it right on the UI. Make sure it looks good. It's concise and it does what it should do. And that is our hosted vector database solution. Thank you guys for watching. We're going to be adding lots of different ways to augment your chatbots and lots of different databases in the future. Please let us know which one's the most important to you. And we're going to do our best job always to have this commitment towards making this very easy for you to use and very delightful aesthetically. Thank you so much for watching and have a good one.